So this is Motorola Edge 30 Ultra, and today we would like to share the top 5 pro tips for this device. Alrighty, so let's go ahead and start. The first tip that we would like to highlight in this video is the fact that you can lock your screen with your own fingerprint and use your fingerprint to unlock the screen respectively. So let's set this feature up. In order to do that, you gotta launch the settings, then enter the security category, and in here you'll find the dedicated fingerprint section. Prior to enrolling the fingerprint unlock, it is required that we also set up some backup screen lock method as well from the list of pattern, pin, or password. I'll go with the pattern myself, enter the pattern that you would like to use, and then confirm it. Here, choose what notification content will be shown at the lock screen. I'll just go with the first option. And from here we can simply start the setup procedure. So here is the fingerprint scanner itself. So in order to enroll your fingerprint, just lay and lift your finger onto the sensor. Make sure to slightly rotate your finger each time you lay it onto the scanner, so therefore making sure that the entire surface of your fingerprint will be scanned correctly. Don't be afraid to apply a slight force once laying your finger. And just like so, the fingerprint has been added, so let's test it out real quick. As you can see, we are able to unlock our device with the fingerprint without any issues. So, one last time. Great success. The second feature / tip that we would like to demonstrate is also the security related tip or feature once again. So let's enter the same category of settings, and it is another biometrical way of unlocking your screen, which is the face unlock. So let's set it up as well. It is way quicker and simpler than enrolling the fingerprint. Simply place your face inside the circle frame and get it scanned, which I'll do off the screen real quick. Alrighty, so as you can see, everything has been successfully enrolled. And now we can test out the face unlock as well. So as you can see, once I align my face with the camera, the screen gets unlocked without any issues or difficulties whatsoever. The third tip is the fact that you can change the screen refresh rate on this device. That you can do by entering the same settings app, launching it, then going for the display category. And in here you'll find the dedicated display refresh rate section. So let me just... Alrighty. In here there are 3 options to choose from. You can set the screen refresh rate value to be 60 or 140 Hz, 144 Hz of course, or set it to automatically switch between those 2 options in compliance with the current system state power left, since the 60 Hz will get you less smooth visual experience but save you some battery and decrease the power consumption, while if you'll opt for the higher value of 144 Hz, you'll get the smoother and silkier animations and overall visual experience. So choose whatever value fits your needs best, or set it to be auto, and well, as I've already mentioned, it will automatically switch between 2 available options. Alrighty, moving on to the fourth step for this video, that is located in the battery category of settings, and it's a very small tip. Basically, as you can see right now at the status bar, the battery, the left power, should I say, the power left, shows as just a visual icon without demonstrating the exact amount of power left. So if you would like to always know and always understand how much battery health you have left, just turn on the battery percentage toggle. And as you can see now, we will be very particularly able to understand that the amount of battery that we have left is exactly 74%. Just like so, a small tip. And the fifth and last tip for this video is located at the same battery category of settings and is called the power sharing. It's a very cool feature that allows you to use your Motorola device as the power station and charge some other devices with it. Of course, the devices that support the wireless charging technology. So let me demonstrate it to you. It's very simple, very easy to use. So turn this toggle on, then flip your device and lay it onto the screen. And it is also important to lay it on the flat surface, which is this table complies with this requirement. In here I have my personal iPhone, which obviously supports the wireless charging. So I'll lay it onto the phone, onto the Motorola, and as you can see, the charging process has successfully started. And just like so, you can charge some other devices or phones that supports the wireless charging. A very cool feature to have once you have a lot of power left on your Motorola, but need to urgently charge some other device, for example. Alrighty, so that will be pretty much it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.